Hey Major, what are we going to collect today?
Cranberries.
Cranberries, that's right. We're going to head out to our blueberry cranberry patch and we're going to collect up all of our cranberries that are all set now. All right. It's pretty cool, right? A lot of them. Okay, so here we are out at the cranberry patch, and I'll give you a little background on the cranberry. These aren't like your traditional, like you'd think of, like my wife would say, the cranberries that you need a bog for. No, these are high bush cranberries. They're actually a different genus than the like the store-bought cranberries that you think of. They taste similar, just it's a different genus. I think these are from the genus Vibinium, whereas the ones at the store are from Vaccinium, which is closely related to like the blueberry. With high bush cranberries, their leaves, they kind of look like maple leaves, and you could see them here. They're pretty sour. And here, let me grab one here. Really sour. Let me show you. When you open them up, you got a flat seed inside. See? Nope. And that's what the seed looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and start collecting. So, all right, let's start picking. Okay, so we probably got a good 30 plus pounds of cranberries now. So let's bring these back and let's make something. There's some of my honeybees. They're actually still out here. They actually pollinated these high bush cranberries pretty good. Some other facts about the high bush cranberries, like in May, they'll have a nice like white flower. A lot of people use them as ornamentals. The berry itself is like sour, and it doesn't taste too good. That's why you add sugar or honey to it when you're making jellies or jams, which is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and make a jelly, and we're also going to make some liqueur, and we're probably going to make some wine as well. And another thing, the Native Americans actually used to use the bark from the high bush cranberries. They actually call it it's called cramp bark. It's got an antispasmodic in it, and it's used for menstruating women and asthma. So that was some interesting stuff to learn about it. So what we'll do, we'll cut this branch off right here. So I'll make my wife some drinks, and I'll stir it with this, with the cramp bark. So, but now this is pretty neat. It just it's a nice ornamental, or you could use it for making stuff, and really simple, easy to grow. So you could see these, you'll actually see the berries here all through the winter and stuff. It's kind of like the last ditch effort for animals to eat them, because they're not that good tasting just by themselves. And you'll see them all through the winter. You'll see all the leaves will drop, and you just see the red berries on these bushes. And the animals will actually come February time frame when they're really hungry. That's when they start eating these. And then they actually eat, the birds will eat them with seeds and everything. So then the birds, they'll eat these, and they'll go through their system, and then they get planted all over the place. So there's some interesting facts. So all right, see you guys. Okay, so now that we have all of our cranberries, let's go ahead and make the high bush cranberry liqueur. So first thing you want to do is get 2 cups of your washed cranberries, put them in a jar. Alright, so now that we got those in there, we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of any type of vodka you like. One and a half, and a little splash. All right. So now we got the vodka and the cranberries in there. So next thing we add is about 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, so we got our sugar in there. And remember, the reason why you add so much sugar is because these cranberries are very sour and very tart. They actually don't taste too good without sugar. Stir that around a little. Okay, now that we got the sugar, the vodka, and the cranberries in there, we're going to go ahead and add about 3/4 cup of water to it. Okay, we got the water in there now. So now we want to go ahead and put half of a lemon peel and half of an orange peel in there. And I like to split them in halves. Into quarters, actually. Alright. Then, I want to add a couple cinnamon sticks. We'll do 2. And then some ground allspice. Go ahead and just put, I don't know, 5-6 shakes in there. Okay. So now that we got everything in there, we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on. Go ahead and shake it up a little. Get it all nice and mixed. And what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to let this stand for about 4 weeks. So 1 month in a dark place. And then each day you just want to go ahead and shake it up, because that's how you'll dissolve the sugar in there. And it takes about a month. So we could obviously make a ton more here. This is just one batch. This is going to be really good. We're also going to do a video coming up on how to do high bush cranberry jelly. So figure get the liquor started first. That way we can enjoy some liquor with the jelly later. And we'll go from there. So hope you like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys.